I think we are good. We are observing the separation of power. Tapos pag nakikita naman ng isang branch na parang nagkakaroon ng paglampas sa supposed na kapangyarihan ng isang branch, we observe din naman and we accept the principle of checks and balances, no? And I think the current impeachment process is okay. Kailangan lang natin sigurong i-reconcile the decision of the Supreme Court and the independence of the legislative in as far as the impeachment process is concerned, no? It will be contrary to the principle of right sizing sapagkat masyado ng bureaucratic ang ating government.
That will be less burden on the Senate, actually. Pwede pag-aralan yun. Except na ang nakikita ko lang na hump diyan sa suggestion na yan, puro appointed yan. Unelected. Ang dating ng Constitution kasi, kaya nilagay sa Senate, elected representatives of the people, ang Congress at saka ang Senate.